For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tie a double half hitch knot. To tie a double half hitch knot, you're going to grab the first cord to the left, this will be your filler cord, and bring it over your other cords to the right. Next, you're going to grab cord 2, the cord to the right, and while holding on to that first cord still, take your second cord and bring it up over your filler cord, and you're going to bring it through this little hole between cord 1 and cord 2. While holding onto your filler cord, use your working cord, cord 2, and pull tight. This is your half hitch knot, and to complete your double half hitch, you're going to repeat the same steps using the same working cord. So bring it over your filler cord, around and through that loop, and using that cord 2 as your working cord, pull tight. And that is a double half hitch. Again, go to the next cord and continue holding your filler cord. Take that next working cord and bring it up around your filler cord, through that loop, and while holding your filler, use your working cord to pull tight. That's a half hitch, and to complete it again, repeat that step one more time. Around your filler, through the loop, and pull to tighten your knot. Remember, with the double half hitch, you will complete that step twice to complete the double half hitch knot. And that is your double half hitch.